In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to format the background of a PowerPoint presentation. PowerPoint presentations are a staple in both academic and professional settings, allowing us to share ideas, report data, and express creativity. One fundamental aspect that can significantly impact the visual appeal of your presentation is the background formatting. Whether you're looking to add a simple color, a gradient, or a custom image, the background of your slides can set the tone and mood for your entire presentation. So, let's dive into how you can easily customize this aspect of your slides. First things first, we need to open Microsoft PowerPoint. This might seem pretty straightforward, but ensuring you're working with the latest version of the software can help prevent any compatibility issues with formatting features. Once you have PowerPoint open, the next step is to load your presentation file. You can do this by selecting Open from the File menu and navigating to where your presentation is stored on your computer. If you're starting from scratch, just open a new presentation. Now, with your presentation open, choose the slide that you want to format. If you intend to apply the same formatting to all slides, don't worry, you can easily do that later. The next step involves a simple right-click on the background of the slide you've chosen. Be careful not to right-click on a text box or an image, as this will bring up different context options. You're looking for a general area of the slide that is free of any content. Upon right-clicking, a context menu will appear. From this menu, you're going to select Format Background. This action will open a sidebar on the right side of your PowerPoint window dedicated to background formatting options. It's here where the magic happens, where you transform your presentation from good to great. Within the Format Background sidebar, you will see various formatting options available at your fingertips. These options include solid fill, gradient fill, picture or texture fill, and pattern fill. Let's take a moment to understand each of these. Asterisk, asterisk. Solid fill, asterisk, asterisk. This option allows you to choose a single solid color for your slide background. It's perfect for keeping things simple and professional. Asterisk, asterisk. Gradient fill, asterisk, asterisk. If you're looking for something with a bit more flair, the gradient fill option lets you create a blend of colors that can add depth and interest to your slides. Asterisk, asterisk. Picture or texture. Fill asterisk, asterisk. This is where you can truly personalize your presentation. You can choose from predefined textures, or you can upload an image from your computer to use as the slide background. Asterisk, asterisk. Pattern fill, asterisk, asterisk. While not as commonly used, pattern fill allows you to apply built-in patterns, offering a unique way to distinguish your presentation. Once you have selected your preferred formatting style, you can adjust it further through the options within the sidebar. Each formatting style offers different customization features such as adjusting colors, transparency, and more. Experiment with these settings until you are satisfied with the look of your slide background. Lastly, if you want to apply the same background formatting to all slides in your presentation, look for the Apply to All button in the Format Background sidebar. Clicking this will instantly replicate your selected background format across every slide, ensuring a consistent look throughout your presentation. Remember, while it's essential to create visually appealing slides, the key to a successful presentation lies in a balance between aesthetic and content. Choosing a background that complements but doesn't overshadow your content is vital. And there you have it. You now know how to format the background of your PowerPoint slides. This simple yet effective skill can elevate the quality of your presentations, making them not only more engaging to your audience, but also more enjoyable for you to create. Take the time to play around with different background options to see what works best for your current project. Happy presenting!